Hey guys, I'm Mark George, and I'm the team leader for our great team, Mark George Residential. And today we're going to talk about our core values. And the first of which is we are a fast paced and education based real estate practice exclusively focused on residential sales. Our success is driven by the daily commitment to learning and staying coachable. We demonstrate urgency in becoming better with our practice. All right, our team members, they join for what they get, but they stay for what they become. And we're a prospecting forward, yet we're a marketing enhanced business. We recognize that a direct conversation with a prospect is always going to supersede any passive techniques. Okay, we're in the integrity business. We have integrity with ourselves, with each other, and with our business plan. All right, the decisions that we make, they're based on what's in the best interest of the team and the client. All right, our clients, they continue to repeat and refer business to us because of our knowledge, our response time, and our professionalism. Okay, we maintain the service, the communication, and the professionalism that the client deserves, at the same time making it fun for those that we work with and making them feel important. Remember, guys, anything is possible.